Hey guys, and welcome to the very first episode of restoring my Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. In this video, we're actually just going to be trying to fix the misfire using brand new spark plugs and brand new coil packs. This is currently step one for our project with the Silverado. After we fix the misfire, we should actually be able to see how the car can drive, how it can run, making sure it's all idling well, make sure the temps are still holding, and just get an all-around feel for the car itself. So as of right now, the only check engine light I'm getting is because of the misfire, but hopefully with these new coils and sparks, everything should be able to fix itself. Anyway, I'll let myself get right into it. See you guys in a minute. And just like that, it is done. So, I know she doesn't sound the best right now, but she does sound 10 times better so far than what she did before. And the new coil packs just look absolutely amazing as well. For my very first time ever doing them, I think they look absolutely amazing and they look really, really good in there. I'm pretty sure I actually did a really good job with these. I know they're super easy, but learning new stuff like this is always making me happy. And I'm so glad to be able to actually share it with you guys. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this short video, and if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe. The next thing we're doing actually is going to be the fuel filter, so just keep an eye out for that. Alright, see ya. And just like that, it is done.